Back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at all of my Lego Among Us figures in game. Let's get into it. First up, we'll have orange. Just so you know, some of these figures are not what have been changed since they were seen in the video. Now, let's move on to orange. Yep, here's orange. He's very changed since one old video. So now let's move on to grey, who's also changed. So now we've got grey. Yeah, grey's very changed. Now let's move on to someone like blue. Yeah, blue's really upgraded. Now purple. Bro, like bold, seriously. How about we move on to maroon? Who do you call when you need the chaos contained? Maroon. He's a chaos containment crewmate. Lime. Let's move on to him. Okay. Let's move on to white. Welcome back, white. Your fat friend, Maroon, kinda... yeah, he got fired. Let's move on to black and banana. Next we have black. Yep, if my friend the boss was 911 was here, he's in the subscriptions or my channel by the way, he'd probably stare at me very suspiciously right now. Now let's move on to banana, everyone's favourite. Who do we have here? We have banana, the right hand man. But there's just one more, or two actually. Cyan, who's been forgotten, and Red's shapeshift. We all remember Cyan, who's never came in a video before. Well, let's move into the red shapeshift. Many of us remember Red's shapeshift. Or it's only been in one video before. But it's got over 200 views, so you probably have watched that one. If you have, I recommend you check it out. But let's see Red's shapeshift. Hope you enjoyed, and well, don't let the imposters get to you, because they might do this.